Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is the channel where we practice English through real experiences, real mistakes, and real improvement.
Yes, welcome everyone. If you are learning English and you sometimes feel nervous, shy, or stuck when speaking, you are not alone.
In today's Day 29 speaking practice, we are going to talk about something very important, the mistakes we faced while learning to speak English.
These are not mistakes from books. These are mistakes from our real learning journey.
By listening to today's discussion, you will realize that making mistakes is normal and necessary.
So relax, listen carefully, and feel free to speak along with us. Common speaking mistakes.
Mistake 1. Fear of grammar mistakes. The first mistake I want to share is being too afraid of grammar mistakes. When I started learning English, I always thought, what if my sentence is wrong? What if people laugh at me? Because of this fear, I stayed silent in many situations.
I had the same experience. I knew many grammar rules, but when it was time to speak, my mind went blank. I realized later that grammar improves after speaking, not before speaking.
Mistake 2. Translating in the head. Another big mistake was translating from my native language before speaking. I tried to translate every sentence in my head, and it made my speech very slow.
Yes, translating is very common among English learners, but when you translate, you lose fluency and confidence. The best solution is to think in simple English, not perfect English.
Mistake 3. Memorizing instead of communicating. My third mistake was memorizing answers. I memorized sample answers for speaking practice, but when someone asked a different question, I panicked.
That's true. Memorized answers are fragile. Real communication is flexible. Instead of memorizing sentences, learn to express ideas.
Mistake 4. Obsession with accent. Another mistake was focusing too much on accent. I wanted to sound like a native speaker, so I avoided speaking.
This is a very common mistake. A strong accent is not a problem. Unclear communication is the problem. Many fluent speakers have accents.
Mistake 5. Not practicing out loud. I also made the mistake of not practicing out loud. I only practiced in my head.
Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth, tongue, and voice need practice. If you don't speak out loud, improvement will be very slow.
Mistake 6. Avoiding self-recording. Another mistake was avoiding recording my own voice. I didn't like how my voice sounded.
Recording yourself is uncomfortable, but very powerful. When you listen to your own voice, you notice pronunciation and fluency issue.
Reflection practice. Now, let's do a reflection exercise. Ask yourself this question. What mistake do I often make when speaking English? Pause the video if you need to.
Now say the sentence out loud. I often make the mistake of blank when I speak English. Repeat it slowly and clearly.
Learning mindset. Remember, mistakes are signs of progress. If you never make mistakes, you are not trying hard enough.
Every confident English speaker you see today was once a learner who made many mistakes.
Congratulations for completing Day 29 of your English speaking practice.
You didn't just listen. You reflected, practiced, and learned. That's real progress.
Now, here's what you should do next. Replay this video and speak again, louder and more confidently.
Try answering the questions using your own experience. Don't copy. Don't memorize. Just speak.
If today's lesson helped you, please like this video. Your support helps Learn English Moments grow.
Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our daily speaking practice.
We share content for daily English, IELTS speaking, and confidence building.
Leave a comment below and tell us, what speaking mistake do you want to fix first? What topic should we practice next?
Thank you for learning with Learn English Moments.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. See you in Day 30, and keep learning English one moment at a time.